Hi guys, welcome to DM Cockpit. In today's video we will let you know how to add project in our tool. On right hand corner you can see add project. Click on add project. A pop-up will appear on your screen. There are few options which we have to fill. Let's put title as Google, then URL as google.com. Now there's an option as report date. Over there are three options: every day, weekly and monthly. We will be selecting every day. The next option is search engine. We have two options over here: Google Mobile. We are going to select Google and then we'll select country. Let's assume we are selecting country as United States, then we will get options more specific to region, so we can select some of the region in United States. Here I'm selecting California. Florida, we can add one more location, and for that we have to again put down search engine as Google, country as United States, and location as New York. Once this is done, we can proceed to save this, and a new pop-up will come up for adding keywords. For this, let's just add few of the keywords. Once you add the keywords, over here on the right hand side there is an option where you can select the desired region which you want. So we are selecting all of them. There is option as group where you can create group, like I'm keeping it as USA region. Once you add the keywords, a new dashboard will come up on your project. On this dashboard you can see region, and then you can select the desired region to see the results. On the right hand side there's a date option where you select date range as per your preference. Once this is done, you can see the Google search results and positions filters over here, like top 1, top 3, top 5, top 10, top 30 and top 100 positions of your keywords. There is an average positions section over here and traffic forecast for those keywords and percentage of top 10 keywords. Even we can see SERP features like map ranking, reviews, top ads, bottom ads, FAQ, video, images, jobs, recipes, site links, people also ask, shopping result and hotel pack. When you scroll down a bit you can see the keywords and their positions. So you can see the list of keywords which we have added over here, and SERP features which we are getting, site links and top ads. Next to it you can see search volume for each keyword and position of each keywords on daily basis. On the next tab there is a URL option where you can see the desired URL which are coming up for those keywords. Right next to it there is a date, last date and difficulty of each keyword to target. So that was the tutorial of DM Cockpit. Comment down if you have any doubts.